Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you something different. Homemade burger with a juicy, flavorful patty. And then stuck with a salad with veggies. We're going to pair all that with a golden, crispy, sweet potato as a side dish. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Stick around with me and let's cook. Once in a while, I do enjoy burger, but one thing I just don't find doing is going to buy burger outside. I prefer making mine in my kitchen. Okay, so to start with today, and if I want to have one, I try as much as possible to make it a little lesser fat. Okay, so in Austria, we have amazing herbs everywhere, all sorts of it. You can name it. Now today I will be going for Jupiter berry cord arms. Okay, I don't know how to actually pronounce it, but in German we call it Wacholder Schinken. Okay, so this Wacholder Schinken, which is Jupiter berry Schinken, arms has a lesser fat. You can go for bacon. Now what I did is just go ahead and toast it a little bit without fat and set it aside. Now for our French fry or sweet potatoes fry, I love to go for sweet potato and I love to do it in my air fryer. Again, you want to prevent too much fat. So spray in some oil if you're going for one, or if you're going for French fry, or you can also make your French fries. Spray in some oil and just let it do its thing in the air fryer. We'll move further by spreading in small amount of butter to our burger bread and toast. Now this butter is going to help achieve a nice golden looking burger bread. Doing this is just to prevent the sauce you're going to spread in later being absorbed from the bread. Okay, so again you will set it aside when you are done, when you achieve what you want. Now we want to caramelize our onion, adding some drops of oil to your pan, and go ahead and introduce your onion. You can choose to leave your onion. I mean fresh onion. You can choose you want to add your onion just fresh, but this is totally different recipe. I also have a burger recipe on my channel. I'll leave a link here on the screen or in the description box. You can please check that out too. Now we have a nice caramelized onion. Also, I will set that aside for now. Again, we will sweat our sliced garbage. Now, what you will do is go on a low heat, no drops of oil in your pan, no water. Continuously stir, adding small amounts of salt, very little. If you care, you can also, I didn't add any. If you care, you can also add in just some sprinkle of sugar, then cover it up and let it release the juice. Okay, that will give you the nice sweated garbage. Now let me tell you how I came about this recipe. On this very good evening, I was just having my TV time and I was craving for burger, but still I just didn't want to have a heavy burger because it was a sunny time. Okay, the weather was very hot at the time I made this recipe, so I needed something very light. But burger, of course, we all know burger is very heavy. So what I did is just try to put things together. What kind of veggie should I put together? What should I bring in? So I came up with this idea of adding salad, the garbage, and every other thing. And guys, I bet you it was it was good. I enjoyed it. It tastes fantastic. Now, what we need here is our burger patty. You might choose to get your burger patty already prepped from the grocery shop, but there's nothing special about burger patty. You need your minced beef. Now, you should go for 80 to 20% of fat or minimum of 90 to 10% of fat. That is going to give you a very soft and tender burger patty. Okay, you shouldn't go for anything dry or dry minced beef. You won't enjoy it. So get your burger patty presser, or you can also use your hands and press out or flatten out your burger patty. And this is what I have. Like I said, I needed it as small as possible, very flat, and this is just what I want for now. Let me use this time to say a very big thank you for watching till this time. I truly appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for still watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you are ready to try it out. Now, this burger is just one in a million because it came out super good, super easy, delicious, and light. Now, if you want to see more of my recipes, please kindly subscribe if you haven't already done so. Help me hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video, because I bet you will love it here. Thank you so much for doing so. What you will do here is get your cast iron pan, add in some amount of oil or any other pan of your choice. Small amount of oil because burger patty has its own fat already, okay? So continue to press down just as you see on the screen. This will prevent it from getting too thick or getting smaller. Somehow doing this will just flatten it more and let it cook more evenly. And that is it for burger actually. Again, we have every other prep. This is ready. What you would do if you feel like your burger is well cooked, it shouldn't be overcooked. So you want to add in cheese on top. Just spread out your cheese, any cheese of your choice. I went for Emmentaler. You can go for burger cheese or any of it. Cover it up and just let it melt. Let your cheese melt. Guys, we are all human and mistakes are bound to happen. Now, just when I thought it's time to film the most interesting part, what I love to do, my camera was not filming. So I'm sorry for not catching that part. This is what I did. I have my sauce, my homemade burger sauce. I have a recipe of how to make burger sauce in my other burger recipe. So I will leave the link up here on the screen. Again, you can also get your burger sauce from the grocery shop or any of it. Now, what I did is just add in the sauce, the lettuce salad. I went in with some tomato and pickles, and then the most important thing, the sweated cabbage. Go in with your bacon. I went in with my Jupiter berry cut ends, and then top it up with your burger, soft and tender burger patty, and then your caramelized onion. I also added more sauce to the top of your burger bread. Cover it up. We have sweet potato fries. Like, guys, this one here was yummy. So sometimes it's hard to finish one burger, but this one, it was in no time gone, and I was not feeling too heavy like I ate burger. Now that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. I love to read your feedback. Would you be trying this recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. If you do, please send me a picture on my community post and let's gist there. I would love to see that. See how super juicy and tender that turns out. I enjoyed every bit of it. Don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.